Do you want to know how to make great videos for social media? In the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about social media videos for business. My name is ELISE Nelson and I help tech challenge makers build a profitable e-commerce brand. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel, where I offer lessons that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. In this short video, I'm going to share with you social media video ideas to improve your social media video marketing strategy. Before we jump into this maker lesson, tell me, how often do you post videos to your social media platforms? Leave a comment and let me know. All right, so we're going to jump right into the notes. The very first thing I want to talk about today is video content ideas for social media. So the first type of video that you could do is called a product demo. And this is going to be a video of the product itself. It's going to be close up, and typically you're going to have a white or some other neutral background. So you want to think about this as if you were taking those Amazon white background product photos and turning them into a video. The point of the demo is to show your shopper exactly what your product does. Okay, and I'm going to show you a short clip of a demo so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and hit play. So here is one for the Devil Clip water bottle holder. And you can see that the hands are in this, so there is a quote-unquote person, but they are very clearly just showing the product. This is not showing them taking it anywhere or doing anything with it. This is a demo of how the product works. They show putting it on and taking it off. That is a demo video. All right, so if you want more help with your e-commerce brand, be sure to subscribe and sign up for notifications on my YouTube channel, where I offer lessons that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. So the first type of video that you can do that's pretty straightforward to show people your brand is a demo. The second type of video that you can do to show people your brand is a product in use. So this is a little different than a demo. The point of this is for someone that we see to be using the product or wearing it, or depending on what your product is, it is in use. It's not just a demo where I'm showing them with my hands how to use the product. This is actually someone using the product. So typically you're going to have some type of background setting for this, and it's going to be based upon what your product is. So if you sell jewelry, it might be in a bedroom. If you sell bowls, it might be in the kitchen. If you sell children's toys, it might be in a crib or playroom. If you sell water bottle holders, it might be outside when you're about to go on a walk. So I have a demo for this one as well. So let's hop over to that. We're going to hit play. So this particular demo is actually something that I got from an actual customer. And so this type of video, if you can get your customers to do a video showing them using your product, it's even more powerful than if you do it yourself. And even if it's not perfect, it's still okay because it's showing someone else enjoying your product. Oh, my internet just stopped. But you get the idea. So she put this over her shoulder. It shows her using the crossbody strap with the Devil Clip. So this is the product in use. Now, before we jump into the rest of the lesson, please like this video, and also be sure to stick with me to the end of the video so you can learn your challenge for today, because there's no point in watching these lessons if you never implement. So my goal when you come to my channel is to make sure I'm giving you some steps to implement these lessons every time you come and join me. All right, so let's jump into video storytelling for social media. So this is where you start telling a story. You want your customer, your shopper, to imagine themselves in a specific situation that is related to your product. Your product should be solving the problem that's happening in the situation. There are tons of examples of these. Amazon does a lot of these. Target does a lot of these. But the idea here is to make a video where your product is solving a problem. So what's going to happen is that you're going to show someone having a problem. Then your product is going to enter the scene, and then the problem is going to be resolved. That is what you want. So let me give you an example, and then I will show you an actual video example as well. So let's say that a kid dumps over their orange juice. They look really worried and upset because they know mom is going to be upset. Mom grabs the paper towels, wipes up the paper towels, and then gives the kiddo a hug. The problem, they spilled their orange juice. The product, the paper towels. The solution, kiddo doesn't get in trouble, mom is happy. Do you see how this is a story that tells them how the situation can be different than maybe what they've experienced previously? So when you illustrate this with your products, it's going to help your potential customers see the benefit of your product and become purchasers. So let me show you an actual video example of this. Here we go. So she's trying to find something to wear with her outfit. She's not happy with any of them. So she starts to think, well, what can I do? And she gets this jewelry with these interchangeable covers that she can use instead. And so this is her using the product to solve her problem of not having a necklace to wear with her outfit. So this is a jewelry commercial, okay? So one of the things I hear all the time is, well, ELISE, that's fine for everybody else, but how do you do this with jewelry? So that is why I showed you this specific commercial, because there are ways to have a problem with whatever your product is. So find that problem and answer that problem, okay? All right, so just a quick reminder, today's question was, how often do you post videos to your social media platforms? Leave a comment and let me know. If you want more e-commerce tips about how to create good videos for social media, be sure to check out my next video all about video marketing tools for social media. The link is in the description. Also, be sure to check out my last YouTube video series about the best way to use hashtags and using hashtags to reach new customers. If you're ready to take your social media to the next level, you should join us for the Social Media Growth Challenge, which is all about short form vertical video like TikTok, Reels, and Stories. We might even touch on YouTube, and how to use it for your e-commerce shop to get more eyes on your social media posts. It only happens 3 times a year, so don't miss it. Your challenge for today is to write down a short story that shows your customer's journey from problem to solution using your product, and make a plan to record that journey on video. All right, so go write your story, figure out what the problem is and how your product solves it, and then set a date on your calendar of when you're going to record that. Find the people that you need, the props that you need, whatever you need to make that video happen, and then do it and post it on your social media. I would love to hear the results of this. Let me know if you finished the challenge and how it went for you. And I just want to remind you to live your dream every single day, and I will see you guys in the next video.